Hello, I am Insight PA's middle school assistant principal. My name is Kelly Watts, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about some information for our PSSA testing that is coming up soon. So, what to expect at the testing site. When you arrive at your testing site, you will look for an ISPA check-in table where you will check your child in, find out which room they're going to be testing in. I want to assure you that teachers and or other staff members will be with your child at all times, so there'll be no worries there. What will we provide you? We will provide your child with pencils, erasers, highlighters, scratch paper, all of the things that they need to be successful on the test. We will also supply them with calculators depending on their grade level if they're allowed to use calculators. We will also be able to provide some water bottles and light snacks throughout the morning for your child. What can you bring to the testing site? You can bring an extra snack if you would like, depending on, your child and his or her needs. You can also have them bring a book to look at after testing. That's always a really good idea if they're waiting for others to finish testing. They have a nice book to read. Other than that, they don't really need anything. Being a parent myself, I would recommend that they're dressed in comfortable clothes. Nobody wants to sit for a long period of time in uncomfortable clothes. So think about what they're wearing. I also would recommend maybe even if the weather is warm, a sweater, a sweatshirt, something like that, because you never really know what the conditions are going to be like in the room that are testing. So if the air conditioning kicks on, it might get a little chilly. So you might want to think about giving them some layers just in case they need that. How to prepare for the test. Students need to get a good night's rest, be on time, have a good breakfast, and of course, know that they can take their time on these tests. Here's what the schedule looks like, just in a nutshell. On Monday, they'll take sections 1 and 2 of the ELA test. On Tuesday, they'll take ELA 3 and the first section of math. On Wednesday, they'll take the second section of math. And if they're an 8th grader, they will also take science. So 6th and 7th grade does not need to take science. So if your 6th or 7th grade student is present Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, it's very likely they'll finish earlier on Wednesday than they would have on Monday and Tuesday because they only have that one section to finish on Wednesday. If your student is an 8th grader, or if you have a younger student that's a 4th grader, this is information that will be helpful to you. 4th and 8th grade take science. So they will need to complete 2 sections on Wednesday, math and 1 science. 4th and 8th graders only will come back on Thursday to do their second section of science. Friday is available to students for any makeup. So if they happen to be sick one day and they miss some time, we always have Fridays available for makeup. What does the time schedule look like? I'm sure you're wondering. Arrival time is 8:30. So we would like everyone to plan to get to their site at 8:30. That gives us a little buffer when the test starts at 9 to get everybody settled into their rooms. Might hit a little extra traffic in the morning. So you have a little bit of time there. So we'll start the first test at 9. Now, these tests are untimed, so the rest of this time schedule, these are estimates because students have as long as they need to complete a test. So we're going to start them at 9:30. According to the PDE, they should take about 90 minutes. So we're thinking break around 10:30. Again, flexible because they're untimed tests. Then we'll give them a break. That's an opportunity they can have a snack that they bring, a snack that we provide. Get out, move around, have a restroom break, all of those things. And then we'll resume testing shortly after. And after that second section, we estimate most students will be done around 12:30. So if you're looking, to plan your day, I know everyone has a lot of other things to do on these testing days. This is a brief general schedule that will help you. What to do while your student is testing. We have amazing parent engagement sessions being hosted this school year. They're on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. They start at 9 o'clock. And they cover a lot of great topics: attendance, who's who in your student's education bubble, computer literacy, re-registration, social interaction, all kind of great things. If you attend all 3 sessions, every testing site is giving away a gift card, so you are entered into the opportunity to win a gift card. If you have younger children with you, they can attend the session as well. Whatever you need. But there's some really great, information and opportunity to connect with other learning coaches in your area. If you have other children, if you have younger children who do not have to take the PSSAs, but you need to bring them with you to the testing site because, they can't be home alone, of course, we will have space at each site and, of course, Wi-Fi availability so that they can log in to class. I would recommend letting their teacher know, hey, we're going to be at a PSSA testing site next week. We are still going to log in just in case there's glitches or something, or maybe they can't hear quite as well, or they don't have all of their classroom materials that they're used to having. Just give the teacher a heads up for that. But we will definitely be able to accommodate your students logging in. We have health information form that we need filled out. I'll put that in the body of this email, so you can look for that link. It's a quick Google form. We also have an Insight PA state testing website. I will put that information in this email as well. If you have any questions or if there's anything that I can help you with, please do not hesitate to respond to this email and let me know. And I look forward to seeing students. I look forward to meeting parents, and I hope the testing session goes really, really well this school year. Thank you, and have a great rest of the school year.